Good morning. Here in this video, let's learn more about the four figures of speeches, that is inversion, transferred epithet, hyperbole and pun. First of all, we'll see inversion. Inversion. How do we remember inversion? The word derived from the title itself, that is inverse. As a literary device, inversion refers to the reversal of the syntactically correct order of subject, verb, object or complement. See this example. Helter skelter the parents run. The orders are not arranged in proper prose order. The words are not arranged in proper prose order. The correct order is the parents run helter skelter. In such type of sentences, you may recognize that the figure of speech is inversion. Transferred epithet. Transferred plus epithet. The meaning of transferred is shifting or change, and the meaning of epithet means adjective. An adjective is transferred from one noun to another. An epithet is shifted from one noun to another. It is said to be transferred epithet. See the example. Open your honest door. Who is supposed to be honest? You. You should open your honest door. But instead of honest as the noun, honest the adjective from noun you, it is shifted to door. See the second example. He drew the bitter arrow from his wound. Here bitter is the adjective. It is shifted from somewhere else to the arrow. So in such cases, the figure of speech is transferred epithet. One more example we can take. I had a restless night. Who is supposed to be restless? I or me. But instead of that noun, restless is the adjective shifted from I or me to the night. And so this is the example of transferred epithet. Hyperbole. It's an interesting figure of speech. Hyperbole in poetry or in oratory, it is an exaggerated or overstatement which evokes a strong feeling and create an impression upon the reader or the audience. Now see the example. All the perfume from Arabia would not sweeten my these little hands. It means for these little hands, even the perfume collected from Arabia is not enough. So it is overstatement or exaggerated statement. I love you till the sea is gone dry. This is also an overstatement. In Hindi sometimes we say, मैं तुम्हारे लिए चांद तारे तोड़कर लाऊंगा, which is impossible thing and yet it is said, just to create an impression. Now one more example in Hindi. मैं रोया परदेस में भीगा माँ का प्यार, दुख ने दुख की बात की बिन चिट्ठी बिन तार. बिना चिट्ठी और बिना तार के इतनी बड़ी बात माँ तक, इतना बड़ा दुख माँ तक पहुँचाया गया. तो इस तरीके से सामने वाले पे एक अपनी भावनाओं को व्यक्त करने के लिए इस तरीके से शब्दों का इस्तेमाल या शब्दों की रचनाएं की जाती है. एक और एग्जाम्पल. हनुमान जी की पूँछ में लग नहीं पाई आग. हनुमान जी की पूँछ में लग नहीं पाई आग, लंका सारी जल गई, गए निशाचर भाग. जो आग हनुमान जी की पूँछ में नहीं लग पाई, उस आग ने सारी लंका को जला दिया. तो इस तरीके से एग्जैगरेशन किया जाता है. सो सच टाइप ऑफ सेंटेंसेस आर द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ हाइपरबोल. Pun. How do you remember pun? One word will derive from pun is fun. It also means joke. Now pun is a fun or joke based on interplay of words or the homophones. It means the words, pronunciation of the words are same but their meanings are different. See the example. I saw the saw that does not saw. Here see one word saw. It looks like same in the use of the sentences for thrice, but the meaning for all the three times the meaning is different. Saw, in the first case it is past tense of see. I did not see. In the second case it's a carpenter's tool, that is a hacksaw, and in the third case it's the process of cutting. It means saw Saw has three different meaning, though the word is same. Now see the second example. He was Willy Loman. Loman conveys two different meaning. In one case, it is the surname of a person, and in second case, it shows the status of that person, Willy, that he is very very low in the society. So in this way, we can remember it as a play upon the word. Thus, you may remember inversion, the inverse of the words, transferred epithet, epithet is shifted, hyperbole, over or exaggerated statement, and pun, play upon the word. Have a nice time. We'll learn 4 more figure of speeches in next video.